Summer has officially kicked off. It's time to get your home ready for summer. Here are 3 top outdoor maintenance home suggestions. I'm so glad you're watching. For those who don't know me, I'm Lori Click with RE/MAX Realty Specialist. I serve the Charlottesville, Virginia and Lake Monticello areas. Today's video contains 3 top outdoor home maintenance items to prepare for summer. Suggestion number 1, check outdoor faucets and hoses. Inspect for any leaks or damage. Replace any worn or damaged hoses and make sure the faucets are functioning properly. Suggestion number 2, inspect and repair your deck or patio. Check for any damage or rot. Replace any damaged boards and make sure the structure is safe and stable. This is a good time to stain or paint if needed. Suggestion number 3, inspect and maintain your lawn equipment. Make sure your lawnmower, trimmer, and other equipment are in good working condition. Replace any worn or damaged parts and sharpen blades as needed. For the complete list, comment below or email me at loriclick@remax.net. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. It really helps the channel out. I don't want you to miss a video, so smash the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Until next week, this is where home is always first, and your new home is only a click away.